Quite a lot of code was already written. I have a domain models. I have implemented all of them. All of the classes were implemented with all of the keys, attributes, and constructors that has to be used for the database. And some of the design patterns I applied so far is a adapter design pattern that is used between the student and supervisor controller classes and student and supervisor service classes. It's solving some design issues, which is described in the report. I also have a quite like five classes of the repository classes. They all handle, as I mentioned earlier, all of the logic related to the interaction between the database. So far, this is all I have implemented. I'm keeping interfaces in a separate package. They are very clear with the comments. So I'm also keeping DTOs. This is the data transfer objects. They are used as data for how to say that? Well, once the client is doing request to the server, there should be some data included into the request. So this classes, this data is used in there. Instead of using the domain models, I'm creating a particular DTO class and using them in the requests, in the HTTP requests. This is how it's done in the large scale applications as well. And this is the common pattern